SONY Xperia XZ2 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the Sony settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the apps icon, then choose settings, scroll down and here you have to select system. So right here let's choose reset, select factory data reset. Here we've got the information about the process. If you are aware of this, let's choose reset phone. And in order to begin the factory reset, so in order to erase all your personal information, downloaded apps, choose erase everything. The device is performing the hard reset, so let's just be patient, wait until the whole operation will be completed successfully. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. Now you may start easily activate your smartphone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.